Hi, I'm Victoria, founder of Credit Fix Solutions, and I'm here today to present you with another credit repair top tip. Did you know, if you're behind with your repayments, your credit provider can offer you a temporary financial assistance package, for example, in the form of a 3-month temporary freeze on your account. This can prevent you from getting bad credit on your credit report. Find out more about your credit score. Contact us today at creditfixsolutions.com.au and don't forget to hit the like button before you leave.